Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fruit bowls that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Home Basics Fruit Tree Basket Bowl with Banana Hanger. Characterized with simple and stylish construction, this fruit bowl is capable to hold different fruits in an appealing manner. The brand's thoughtful creation allows you to easily organize your fruits without occupying excess space on your dining table. It is known that this product from Home Basics Fruit Bowl is made up of durable steel with chrome plating. Moving on at number 4, we have the Home Basics Scroll Collection Fruit Basket. Recognized as a bronze fruit basket from Home Basic, this bowl presents great durability. You can consider this bowl as a decorative piece on your dining table and kitchen. You can store different varieties of fruit, irrespective of them being raw or ripen. Equipped with a classic scroll design, this bowl will enhance your kitchen in a unique way. You can now let the fruit appear very enticing to eat. Those people who have already used it suggested that they are contented with the material quality and design. Overall, the price is affordable for the features presented. At number 3, we have the InterDesign Axis Fruit Bowl for kitchen countertops. Whenever you are looking for modern style and versatile function to present in your fruit bowl, go for this one from InterDesign Axis. This brand works relentlessly to simplify your regular life by presenting these kinds of user-friendly and appealing products. The appealing aspect is that you can protect delicate fruit from staining and can access all the fruits easily. You can keep apples, bananas, oranges, and many other fruits. It is a perfect decorative bowl for your kitchen and countertops. At number 2, we have the Spectrum Diversified Scroll Fruit Stand. Now you can easily organize all your fruits and vegetables in a single convenient place using this fruit server from Spectrum. Manufactured from sturdy steel, the elegant scroll design adds to the overall look of this bowl. Majority of the brand's products are secured by intellectual property rights, which include the issued design patents as well as pending design patent applications. And finally at number 1, we have the Spectrum Diversified Euro Starburst Fruit Bowl. Characterized with unique design and versatile functions, the present fruit bowl from this leading brand suits any kitchen or dining table. The product is dedicated to serving a statement of style in your kitchen. All the products from the brand Spectrum are prepared from heavier steel, high-quality plastics, strong castings, and thicker powder coating. It is found that the brand inspects each and every product before it dispatches them. Therefore, you are assured of the supreme quality products. Those users who have already used it mention that this bowl is great for fruits, bread, and vegetables. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.